Now, there's lots of definitions through health and safety. Things like employer, employee, organisation, and client are things that we do need to know about. The employer is the person that employs people under a contract of employment, and the employee is like to be you. Client is the person that you may be working for whilst on site, or your customer. Now, two other words that you'll come across, or definitions, are statutory and non-statutory, and it's important that we know these two quite well. Statutory means that something is binding in law, and it's a criminal act to contravene something that is statutory, which means you could end up going to court, face fines, or even imprisonment. The second word we need to remember is non-statutory. Now, non-statutory is non-legally binding. However, a lot of the regulations that we follow and a lot of the guidance we follow, which is non-statutory, supports the statutory law. So it's important that we understand that which non-statutory requirements also support statutory requirements.